Okay, all finished up. This is a 3-car, no baseboards. We did do the stairs. Just some minor repairs, really. No expansion joints to fill. Here's our detailing around the water softener. Here's where we cleaned up a lot of that mess along the wall. Okay, so this is what things look like before we ground all this off. As you can see, there was a lot of paint on the ground. I guess a couple cans leaked. So this paint had got into the construction mortar that was there previously, and then it was coated over yet again. And you can really see how it was all built up in this area. So we did grind all this off and left it nice and flat and got rid of all that junk, run down the bare concrete. So along this back wall, there was a lot of repairs along the edge here. We had to go partially up the wall to remove all the previous material. So we did fill it with epoxy compound, and it's not final, but we just put a stripe along the back. The customer realizes he's going to have to repaint. We just wanted to present it with a neater look than just leaving the epoxy up the wall. So this was the previous repair that was done at one time before we got there. As you can see, it went up the wall and it was really ugly. So we did grind all that out, but we did have to grind up the wall a little bit because some of the material to make the repair was along the wall as well. So we put our epoxy compound in there and made it real strong, and we went up the wall with our epoxy compound. So we just left the border for a better presentation when we turned it over to the customer again. We did tell him that's all we were going to do because he was aware that he was going to paint the garage again. So we just wanted to make a nice presentation before we left, and it's nice and flat now, and it's a good looking repair. Here's the stairs, all detailed and nice. These we ground and rounded over the edges. So this is a full chip job, polyaspartic top coat, and this color is Dolphin. And here's the lead-in edge that we ground and chipped over. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.